Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I've put up a video, so about 2 weeks or so, because in this period I was feeling a little low. My channel isn't doing that well and I was wondering if this is even worth it because not many people were watching. But I had to gather my motivation and think to myself whether I would rather do anything else. And I thought that this is something I'm passionate about. I'm passionate about diet, nutrition, and also passionate about sharing my ideas and my recipes with you guys, those of you who are watching. So I had to come back and start making these videos again. I need you guys to share my channel and help me grow the channel if you guys are liking what I do. So let's start off with the recipe. Today I'm making a tempeh and mushroom curry, which is made in a peanut and coconut sauce, creamy, delicious, luxurious sauce or gravy. And you can use this recipe to make chicken, tofu, or paneer if you're an Indian. So tempeh is a great source of protein for vegetarians or vegans because it's soya beans which have been fermented, and it's almost like a cake, and it's a superfood. It's very good for you, it's healthy, and especially, like I said, if you're a vegan. This is the brand that I use. It's called Rainbow. Tempeh is an acquired taste, so it's slightly bitter, just like a lot of fermented foods. Don't have taste for it, substitute it for tofu, paneer, chicken, prawns, anything. So this recipe works with anything. I have just used tempeh to give you guys different ideas. So let's go ahead and watch the recipe, how I make this. So let's make the seasoning sauce. This is 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of SCHEZWAN sauce. You can use a chili garlic sauce in place of that. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of toasted sesame oil, and mix everything, taste it. It seems perfect to me. At this point I've added 1 teaspoon of baking powder. That will make our tempeh a little more crisp. We are pouring the marinade on the tempeh pieces. We are going to mix it really well so that everything is coated. I wish there was an option to add a little bit of honey. It would have made so much of a difference. So now we're going to make the gravy. We're going to put all of the gravy ingredients, and I'm trying to keep them to the minimal so that when you watch the recipe you don't feel like, oh my god, who's going to do all of this. So hopefully you've liked the recipe, you will try it out, and you've thought that it's simple enough. And if you try the recipe out, let me know in the comments section. Also share pictures of your recipe on my social media handles. All of that information is in the description section. Now we have a tablespoon of oil in which I'm adding the tempeh pieces. I try to cut down on the oil at this point and top my food with olive oil in the end. This is what I've been doing lately. Let's get all of our pieces slightly crisp and browned, at least on one side. And then I'm going to add about 5 to 6 mushrooms. So I'm just breaking them with my hand, and we're going to saute them in the same pan itself. It will soak up all the oil and its flavors. And once it's slightly cooked, because mushrooms don't need too much time to cook, as well as tempeh doesn't need time to cook. And at this point I've added half a cup of coconut milk, and I've added water and 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. Of course you can add a little more or less and calculate your macros according to your recipe. I've added a pinch of stevia. You can leave this out. Most times I will leave it out. And 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and some more of the chili garlic or the SCHEZWAN sauce that I have, and give it a taste. It is perfect. You might want to add a little more salt to adjust the seasonings. There's information about my favorite gadgets and my favorite keto ingredients in the kitchen. You can see those. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell right next to the subscribe button to be notified every time that I add a new recipe. And thanks for watching. Bye.